How to change WhatsApp chat background on iPhone. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your WhatsApp application, and here you will be led to your chat section where you can see all your conversations that you have there. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to choose the specific option, or I mean the specific contact that you want to change your WhatsApp chat background. So let's say this contact. Then what you want to do is, of course, you have to make sure, as you can see here, this is my background, so you want to change that. Then on the upper part, you'll see the chat's name or that contact's name. Tap on the contact here and you will be led here to your contact information. Now the next thing that you want to do is to scroll down up until you see the second section where you can see mute, wallpaper, and sound, and save to camera roll. So tap on wallpaper and sound here, and as you can see, this is how your wallpaper looks like right now. And on the upper part of that, you'll see the custom wallpaper, and of course you will see here, choose a new wallpaper. Tap on that, and the next thing that you want to do is here you will see this three free wallpaper given to you by the WhatsApp. So you can choose this one. So you can see this, the bright ones. You can go to dark ones here, which it will look like this. And for the solid colors, like this. And of course, if you want to put your, let's say, a customized, really customized one, you can go here to your photos and choose the specific picture that you want to use as your chat background on WhatsApp. So for me, I just want to go here to my bright color ones and go and choose this one, and basically tap on set on the upper bottom part. And then if you go back here, you're ready to go. And as you can see, you have now successfully changed your WhatsApp chat background on iPhone. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.